7:30. Here's our gear. We gotta go about 6 miles that way on foot into the Boundary Waters. See how long it takes. I'm thinking we'll get there around 9:30 to the lake we want to go to. Maybe less than that.
I hope.
We'll see. This is the fun part. Go try to catch some fish. Long day trip.
Everybody, everyone at home.
Tony doesn't own ice skates in northern Minnesota, so I'm literally gonna be a sled dog for his lucky butt for 6 miles here. Alrighty, I think this is gonna work just fine too. I'm just gonna have to get started. Whew, that was a long walk down that lake, or skate for me. Wow. Did you eat all those fish?
Oh, yeah.
They're good, aren't they?
They were really good.
Oh, look at this incline.
There we go. Finally a challenge.
This is where your spikes come in handy. Because guess what? It's a little slippery without them. Whew! Huh?
Ankle breaker.
Dude, that would be nasty if you went down that. If you slipped.
Then you're really pulling me back.
Thank you. You got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Let's see. So we left around 7:30.
Oh my god, look at how beautiful this is.
Cute little thing, dude.
Yeah. This is just a cute little lake. 9:41.
So 2 hours and 10 minutes roughly. Plus we looked for the access trail for about,
Yeah.
I don't know. We looked for a while. Have you even ever caught a brook trout in your life?
I don't know. I'm not
Watch,
sure.
your first brook trout's gonna be a giant.
Never again. Never again. That's how it works.
Got one. Oh, it got off at the hole.
No.
Yep.
Just a tiny little bite.
Not mine wasn't that big of a bite, but that was a that'll wake you up. But that was a big fish that I just had. That wasn't tiny. The one that I just missed. Nice. Let it fight if it's a big one. Let it pull drag if it wants to. Tony's very first ever brook trout.
Oh.
Nice one, dude. It's a beauty.
Oh my god. Wow.
Wrapped up.
Oh my god. What a beautiful.
Tony, that
That's the most
is
beautiful. Fish I've ever
beautiful.
seen.
That is beautiful, Tony.
Oh,
Look
baby.
at that. Get that in the sun.
Wow.
Tony.
Oh my god.
That's a beautiful hen brookie.
Wow.
Tony's very first brook trout. Was it worth the walk?
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful day, beautiful fish.
Nice, dude.
Beast.
Nice, dude. Well, that didn't take long to get a little action either. What have we had? I missed 2 and you caught 1. 3 good bites in 30 minutes maybe?
Yeah. Oh, fish on.
Nice, dude. They love that thing.
This is right on the bottom.
Tony's got the hot hand. I'm 0 for 2. Can Tony go 2 for 2?
Come on, baby.
Oh my God, Tony. Oh my God, Tony.
Dude, it's a monster beast.
Take it easy. Take it
he's
easy.
mad.
Take it easy. Let this thing fight. Just let it fight. Oh my
wow.
God.
Oh, get it. Oh my God.
That's the male to go with your female, buddy.
Oh my God.
They've just been wrapping up themselves in the line.
Look at that.
All right, Tony's first 2 ever brook trout were 18.5-inch female and
Yep, right there.
18-inch male.
Wow.
Here, let's get a little close up
Wow.
of that color. Oh gosh.
Look at that purple.
They're so pretty. Attaboy.
Nice. Wow.
All right,
Legends.
got him. My turn.
Okay. Rip them out.
Oh, I just can't keep them on. Missed them all. Pretty soon they're all, oh, there we go. Here we go.
Yep, I see that.
Bite it. Got him. Got him. I'll pull that Vexlar out again. Alright, I'm due. I'm 0 for 5.
Careful.
Crazy head shakes. Oh my gosh. These fish are so tough in here. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's a fighter.
He looks pretty big, dude.
Oh. Stand up, stand up.
Just trying to get his head in. God, that is insane. What is going on?
He's mad. Oh my God.
Oh, gorgeous,
It's
dude.
huge.
Gorgeous.
That's gotta be the biggest one. Look how fat it is.
I bet you it's both sides of yours, dude.
I think that one has to weigh the most. That's so big. Nice job. That was a big one.
Well, what was I? 1 for 6 now?
That's a nice one.
A beautiful little female. Look at. Spinorama. I just got pounded. Oh my God. There's a giant down there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh wow. Sight fish, that one. Pounded it. Look at that was like your second one. I mean, it's a little longer, but the colors
Beauty, man.
about halfway again, you know. That means like 4, you're like right there, so it literally drops off from like 4 feet straight down. Oh, there we go. Got him. He pounded that. Uh-oh. You gotta watch him on the Vexlar. There you go. Nice. Thanks, Tone. Feels good again. Can you see him yet?
Just saw him flash. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, Hogan.
It is.
That's a very nice fish. Careful.
He pounded it.
Yep.
Doing all that craziness again. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this
That was a
big
nice
ripper.
fish.
Big boy.
Holy.
There you go.
Oh my God. They are crazy. They are crazy.
I'm watching.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, just fat. He ain't as long as the other ones. But look at the fatness on that one, dude. Give me some. Holy, that is the prettiest one yet. Oh my gosh.
We are on Island Lake.
Yep, right outside of Duluth.
Island Lake, folks.
Right outside of Duluth. Here, look at this thing.
Ooh, that's cool. Nice.
Another one? Yep. Big one? The colors, that one's just a fat little football. Look how beautiful that is.
Purple in there.
Take a picture of just those scales on that.
Golly.
Nice fish, Tony.
Thank you, man.
I bought this new water filter for these long backcountry trips. That way you don't have to worry about bringing in too much water and weighing down the trip. How do these things work? Do you have to take the top off or something?